A guide to achieving the perfect sear on a Blackstone griddle. Introduction to cooking salmon on griddle. Imagine a Monday night in your backyard, the air filled with the sizzle of a hot griddle and the tantalizing aroma of perfectly cooked fish. Fish night is here, and it's time to unveil the secrets to grilling a succulent and flavorful salmon on a Blackstone griddle. If you've ever thought that fish is just an occasional choice, overshadowed by the allure of a juicy steak, this guide will change your perception forever. Get ready to elevate your culinary skills and learn how to cook a salmon that not only you but also your taste buds will thank you for. Selecting the right salmon. The journey to culinary excellence begins with selecting the right foundation, quality salmon. When it comes to choosing the best fish, pay attention to the color and structure of the flesh. Look for a salmon with a deep reddish hue, indicating its natural origin. Wild salmon, with its rich taste and texture, is the preferred choice. However, if wild salmon is hard to come by, opt for a salmon with a deeper color, as it is likely to be more natural than its pale counterparts. Preparation: trim, season, and sauce. Before the salmon hits the griddle, a few preparatory steps are essential. Begin by trimming the edges of the fillet to ensure even cooking. These uneven pieces can burn easily and affect the overall presentation. Additionally, check for any bones in the flesh and remove them. For a mouth-watering sear and flavor, a judicious seasoning is in order. Coat the salmon with a high-heat oil, such as grapeseed oil, to prevent any burnt flavors. Then, generously season with a blend of salt, pepper, and garlic. This combination imparts a delightful aroma and enhances the taste. The sauce will elevate your grilled salmon to new heights. Prepare a delectable mixture of soy sauce, sesame seed oil, oyster sauce, raw honey, and a touch of chili sauce. This concoction adds depth of flavor and infuses the salmon with a perfect balance of sweetness and savory richness. Achieving the perfect sear. To achieve a flawless sear, proper griddle temperature is crucial. Aim for a range between 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit on Blackstone griddle, ensuring a sizzling surface that creates a beautiful salmon crust. Preheating is essential to prevent sticking and to attain that coveted sear. Mastering the flip and timing. Cooking salmon to perfection requires precision and attention to detail. Begin by searing the salmon on one side until it reaches a temperature of around 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the moment to flip it over, revealing the beautifully seared crust. As the salmon cooks, the skin will tighten and cook on the bottom side. For an even and thorough cook, move the salmon to a slightly cooler section of the griddle, using the residual heat. Continue monitoring the temperature, ensuring the salmon reaches the desired internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep in mind that overcooking can compromise the tenderness and juiciness of the salmon, so timing is key. Applying the finishing touch. As the salmon reaches perfection, it's time to crown it with the exquisite sauce you prepared earlier. Drizzle the sauce generously over the salmon, allowing it to cascade and infuse every bite with an explosion of flavors. Combining the perfectly seared crust and the harmonious sauce creates a symphony of tastes that will surely delight your palate. Conclusion: a culinary triumph. In the realm of culinary achievements, a perfectly grilled salmon stands tall, ready to compete with the finest dishes out there. Armed with the knowledge of selecting quality fish, mastering the art of trimming, seasoning, saucing, and achieving the ideal sear, you are equipped to create a dining experience that is both delectable and memorable. As you take your first bite into the succulent and flavorful salmon, revel in the symphony of tastes that you have orchestrated with precision and care. So, fire up that Blackstone griddle, embark on this culinary journey, and savor the fruits of your labor as you enjoy the symphony of flavors that only a perfectly cooked salmon can deliver. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.